As always, this detailed review is brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. Shop smarter, be a brainy buyer.
Hey, I'm looking at two propane grills, the Char-Broil Classic 2-burner and the Weber Q1000. What do you think?
Oh yeah, those are both popular choices. The Char-Broil is definitely bigger, right?
Yeah, it has 280 square inches of cooking space compared to Weber's 189. Plus, it has a side burner, which could be handy.
True, the Weber is more compact, more portable. Dimensions are 24.1, DX 45.6, WX 43.5H for the Char-Broil, and 16.5 DX 27, WX 14.5H for the Weber. It depends on whether you need to move it around a lot.
Good point. I'm not planning on moving it much. What about power?
The Char-Broil boasts 20,000 BTUs, while the Weber Q1000 has 8,500. That's a big difference, and likely means the Char-Broil will heat up faster.
Okay, good to know. Is there a big price difference?
The Char-Broil is cheaper at $139, whereas the Weber is $229.
That's significant. What about the grates? Are they easy to clean?
The Char-Broil has porcelain-coated wire grates, while the Weber has porcelain-enameled cast iron. Cast iron retains heat better, potentially leading to better searing, but porcelain-coated wire is lighter and may be easier to clean quickly.
Okay. And how many burners?
The Char-Broil has 2 main burners, plus that side burner we talked about, and the Weber only has 1.
So, Char-Broil wins on cooking space and power, but Weber is more compact and has cast iron?
Exactly. And the Weber is fully assembled. Assembly is needed for the Char-Broil, and one review mentioned it took almost 2 hours.
Okay, that's a factor. What about ratings?
The Weber has a higher rating, 4.7 stars with more than 4,500 reviews, while the Char-Broil has 4.1 stars with around 2,700 reviews.
Okay, that helps. Thanks for breaking it down.
No problem. Hope you find the perfect grill for you.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.